Hi. Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn to create free website. If you are new, and watching this video first time, please watch previous video by clicking the link shown above. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. In the web browser, open google.com. Type 000 webhost, and click search. Open this first link. Click free sign up button. Log in using Google account. Click your Google account. Click Get Started button. Click Skip. Click Skip again. Type website name and password. Click Next button. The website name is already exist. Type other name. Note your website name. fmcalculator.000webhostapp.com. Click Next button. Congratulations! Your website name is created. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Fayaz, Memon, for more videos and tutorials.